It's all about Jamaica's worst gamer. You deaf, we the baddest. And as they say, connect.
Yo. What is up, guys? JAMAICA'S giving here with another reaction. Today we are with Kraff. Yes, one Buddha chap, man. Yes, man. Kraff with Infidel. Kraff, Infidel. Let's jump in the one on here with the G of his center, man.
Stop it, calm down.
Hello? Good afternoon. We're speaking together.
Shane Creative, big up. Let the fuck I go on that, so. Hold on. Genius, Musta, Shima. Sorry, I'm just reading what I'm seeing here on the wall, guys.
You better know me think crazy. Me a walk with a sense run down a St. Mary's. Somebody tell your lady. Say the money fast, wait up, you get crazy. Wait up, you get brazy.
Somebody tell the old lady if you send the money fast before it don't get crazy. Yeah, come here walking outside trying to St. Mary. What about the mama? Send the money. Yo, let me take off the glasses. Kraff, you're not trouble in the brother. You're not blood clot trouble. Here. What on? Oh shit. Here's another scary movie by Kraff.
Hello?
I don't put that, I don't put that, you know?
Good afternoon. We're speaking together.
Don't put that pretty door.
You better know me think crazy. Me a walk with a sense run down a St. Mary's. Somebody tell your lady. Say the money fast, wait up, you get crazy. Wait up, you get brazy. One link come along and I me of his bank. If his color play hard, cause you drape him fam.
Why me laugh so much? Why the fuck me laugh, dog? Yo, them artists that are ramping up, especially them new artists that them fuck around in the dog. The man them unite and them proud in the dog. Yo.
Come along and I me of his bank.
Yeah, grip him.
Cause you drape him fam.
Drape him.
Bunch check and break him man. Skull card off Max for my favorite brand. Me have
Skull card off Max for my favorite brand. Chopper them. Don't follow Kraff with a line there, yeah? If we're not doing nothing, if we're not doing nothing, make sure you don't put the money to use, dog. Don't just floss it out, brother. You see me? Yeah, me telling you already still. So if you don't want to believe me, don't believe me.
check and break him man. Skull card off Max for my favorite brand. Me have a dope name Dave Winston. If you run away, then a grave instant. Boy.
Me have a dope name David Stan. If you run away, then a grave instant. Blood clot.
Dope name Dave Winston. If you run away, then a grave instant. Boy dead from a brave thing start. And the killer with a knock off, he go wave him hand. Killer clap from a brave distance. One shot a white drum make a raving star. Cancer back with beer chip glass. Beer chip glass. Crazy. Me a walk with a sense run down a St. Mary's.
Yeah.
Somebody tell your lady.
Tell her.
Say the money fast, wait up, you get crazy. Wait up, you get brazy. Mounted up in a me gathering, my dog. Here I rum, I make me a drink papa. Put a pill in her cup until I try drink this off. Gun day, I do not try think we soft. The Benz too broad, which part this spark? Key got a weed when him try drift my car.
Blood clot. The Benz too broad. I wish part this for park. Key got a weed when him what?
The Benz too broad. bother which part this spark key got a weed when him try drift my car. Yes. My pussy wet when the ceiling lift off. See the Benz key and I saw she turn freak. Fuck friends said speed, mama sing fifi. She not suck it tight, mama suck it and please. Papa Molly night crowd and suck in high street. Water with the wow, water with glee juice.
Hold on, what you do? Papa Molly night crowd and do what, Kraff? What you say you do, bossy?
Friends said speed, mama sing fifi. She not suck it tight, mama suck it and please. Papa Molly night crowd and suck in high street. Water with the wow.
You're fucking high street. How they say gone to know?
Suck it and please, Papa Molly night crowd and suck in high street. Water with the wow, water with glee. Juice leg on our choke, big joy in our teeth. Put a note in our mouth and tell her find key. You shoulda know me think crazy. Me a walk with a science from down a St. Mary. You better know me think crazy. Me a walk with a sense from down a St. Mary. Somebody tell your lady. Say the money fast, wait up, you get crazy.
Crazy.
Wait up, you get brazy. Water with the wow, water with glee. Water with the wow. Say so water with glee. Suck down, suck down, please. Put a note in her mouth.
She ain't creative. Big up yourself. Kraff, what can I say? I don't see anyone in dancehall currently who plays this role as well as Kraff does when Kraff is doing this type of music. Still a sin. I don't see. No, I think the only artists of film generation, like the younger generation, who forward close to bringing off them goth, because this is what he is, a gothic artist, especially in a video like this. He's not the first artist to go gothic. We know see a Tommy Lee style that, but he is right now the only artist me see, apart from Tommy Lee, of course. You know, say Tommy Lee a godfather for them something. Yeah. The only artist me see we forward right now on the scene where I do it like Kraff and Raja. When it come to them dark thing, yeah, brother, him and Raja, Kraff and Raja do it, brother. Yo, that video you dark, you fuck. That's why me laughing up. Yo, that video you midnight. Buddha chap, bumbo clot. Him different. He's very different. He's very talented. We know that. One Buddha chap. What can I say? One Buddha chap. Because the St. Mary people them. Yeah, because the St. Mary people them when I ram fling them goes off of you. Yeah. Anyway, goes of Buddha chap fans them in the comment section. Get active no man. One dog. Get active no man. Me don't wait pound now. The man. Alright, I'll catch you guys on the next one door. Click on any one of them 2 videos for some more Kraff. Alright? Peace.
It's all about Jamaica's worst game. You deaf with the baddest. And it's a rock on earth.